becoming
Yeah.
aware of that content,
I
I
think
guess.
no, just overall, like overall number of I can't remember the exact metric they used, but it might have been like search results number appearing or chatter measures probably. So yeah, they have found that the banning of these right wing voices after a period of time did ultimately work in their voices and popularity just like weaning away.
That's not accurate to say they were banned because they were like right wing voices. Like the two people you mentioned, who I'm thinking maybe we'll just like bleep out their names because I think these people just thrive on getting any attention, and I don't give them that. Same thing with a controversial like beauty guru who might just espouse a bunch of very far right political views. They're doing that just because they know it gets them attention, and some people are so depraved they would rather be infamous than just have people not think about them. But the reason those aren't examples of right wing figures being banned. They're examples of people inciting their followers to harass people whose children were murdered being harassed, or they're examples of people who have histories of advocating for like white supremacy being banned. We're not talking about conservative commentators being purged from these platforms. We're talking about like the most odious elements of our society not being given a platform to spread awful things anymore. So there's just, we really have to, I think, draw a distinction between this isn't like mainstream conservative commentators losing their voice on Twitter. This is social media companies being like, holy shit, we can't give a voice to people who are this awful and dangerous. Do
Yeah.
you know what I mean?
No, I agree, and I didn't mean to gloss over it. I was just trying to read it like factually with the.
Sorry, I didn't mean to be dismissive. I appreciate your main point being there is at
it
least
worked
some.
in the end, but of course it is going to cause a spike in search results and popularity
How
when the
would
ban
you?
occurs.
Well, sure, yeah. Well, I've been on Reddit for years as a, just lurking around, and when people talked about subreddits being banned, the natural inclination is to think of, oh, what do they think I shouldn't be able to see? And it might not even be because you support or want to have anything to do with that, but there's just a curiosity element, and I have to say, a big part of me still thinks that the idea of the internet being this open and free, unregulated space is still a very important thing in some respects. And it's not like we're talking about people being banned from the internet, right?
No.
Like you